Okay, so that's it. Okay, so story time. Hi everyone. So today you can see that this video is all about our Ballarat trip, and I'll tell you some story about it. So as you can see here, we are on our way to Ballarat. It is a 2 to 3 hour commute from Melbourne CBD. From our place, we went to Southern Cross Station, then took the train to Ballarat. The train ride took about 1 hour and a half from Ballarat Station. We then took the bus going to Hotel Canberra. Here, we finally got to meet Chef Jigs Liwanag and his partner Pete. Chef Jigs was the reason why we visited Ballarat, and he invited us over and accommodated us so warmly. Classic Filipino hospitality talaga. Anyway, quick backstory, we just met Jigs at the airport in Manila. We took the same plane going to Melbourne last July 8th. Short kwentuhan, then we connected on Instagram. It was so nice of him to offer us overnight stay and fill our tummies with amazing food that he himself prepared. What a privilege, right? All we could offer him was a free photo shoot. When we arrived, we had a quick chat with Jigs. His stories and experiences were so inspiring. After that, I, together with my wife Trina, started with the interior and exterior shots of their hotel rooms, restaurant, cafe, and wine bar. Their place gives that boutique and old world feel. It has that modern, funky vibe, which we really love. Stables Cafe and Bar open from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Tuesdays to Sundays. Bobby Wine's Bar, on the other hand, is open from 4 p.m. Wednesdays to Saturday. And lastly, Vesta X Jigs Restaurant open from 6 p.m. Wednesdays to Saturdays. Bookings essential. Second on our list was the portrait shots of Jigs and Pete. They were so natural and did great. After that, the third agenda was food and beverage shots. Can you see all these sumptuous dishes? They all taste as great as they look. Actually, these are just few of the many amazing dishes you can get from Stables Cafe. After the cafe food and beverage shots, Trina and I had our late lunch, and yes, we consumed 3 of these dishes. We were so full. Jigs told us to have some rest before dinner. Yes, hindi pa tapos ang kainan. After a short rest, I continued with our fourth agenda and took some clips while Chef Jigs rocks the kitchen. I witnessed how efficient and systematic his workflow is. Hindi ko namalayan that I was there for about an hour and a half. By 7:30 p.m., I got to sit down with my wife and enjoy dinner that Jigs prepared for us. We still can't believe that we're eating all of this for free. I mean, these are not just simple meals, right? These are fine dining level. All were so good, but our top picks are the first, pork barbecue. It just feels home. And the ceviche. Jigs made this kinilaw with so much thought, and it was super fresh and yummy. You can grab a lot more amazing dishes at Vesta by Jigs restaurant. And by the end of the day, Trina and I felt like our tummies were about to explode with all those food that Jigs kindly prepared for us. And on top of all this, we got to sleep in absolute comfort in their one-bedroom suite. Hotel Canberra is truly a charming luxury in the heart of Ballarat. We had an amazing trip. Thank you so much, Jigs and Pete, and I think that's all for our vlog today and story time, and more videos of us exploring Melbourne, hopefully soon. So that's all. Once again, this is Geronimo. Thank you for watching this video. See you on our next one.